Hello everybody, Jackson here with the Wealth Squad. Today we'll be talking about the recent crypto pump uh, or recovery, right? Because it's coming back from the recent dip. As you can see, the market cap is now above 2 trillion once again. We could actually look into this and see the chart. You can see the month where it was 2 trillion before. Then it fell to a low of under 1.5 trillion, so lost $500 billion worth of value. And now we are right back above that 2 trillion mark. We can see the all-time high is 2.94 trillion, so not 3 but almost, or just about quite, right? So almost 3. We're now back at 2, so we got what, 50% upside from here. Now, looking at these coins, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, the main ones that we like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Terra, Polkadot, Avalanche, Polygon, Crypto.com, Coin, Chainlink, Cosmos. You can see all of them are in the green, right? Ripple is one that we're not talking about too much, but you can see it's in the green quite a bit. The pump is definitely here. Let's go to TradingView and see for ourselves. So we're looking at Bitcoin, we're looking at the 5-day chart, and you can just see it was stable for literally like 3 days, right? And then that was at 41.5, and now we're back at 44. But looking at the year, we could see back in July July 21st was the very low that set us off to that almost $70,000 mark for Bitcoin. Well, that day is now January 24th. That's going to be the date known. Just because so far, since January 24th, Bitcoin itself is up 36% in a matter of 2 weeks. Back after July 21st, after 2 weeks, Bitcoin was up 35%. So it's kind of the same thing. Is it going to happen the same? No one really knows, but there are patterns in the market, and usually what you think won't happen happens. So set your expectations low in terms of that happening. However, there's definitely a buy zone here, and what I like to actually draw out is a buy zone. So you can see right here, every time it's in this zone, it's a buy, and that's under 36 grand, right? And you can see it's worked out pretty well thus far. Who knows if it will continue to work out? All we know is Bitcoin is up and at it 36% in 2 weeks, right? Let's look at Ethereum. Another one that's doing pretty dang well recently. And we could have another kind of chart for this one. Under 25 seems to be fair. Under 25k, I'm sorry, 2500 is a good buy zone. And right now, let's look at Ethereum, up from 2150 to 3180, so up around 50% in just 2 weeks, right? It's very fast very crazy how fast these coins move, and you gotta stay on top of it, because if you don't, you're left behind. Let's say you're trading and you bought some at this dip and now you're holding right now. Looking at past performance of these coins, it's actually not a bad trade to continue to hold. However, if you're trading with money you don't really feel comfortable holding, then yeah, go ahead and sell some. However, just looking at these recent dips in the market, dips generally come with recoveries, and those recoveries are stronger than the dips previous. So we're going to see prices that we haven't seen in a couple months here soon, and that's a good thing in terms of we're on our way back. For Solana actually got hit very hard at one point, down almost 70% from the highs. And actually right now at a low of 80, we're up almost 50% already, right? We're gonna need a full on 216, 17% climb to reach all-time highs again for Solana. Solana was hit hard, that's for sure. We have some like Matic actually that are still resilient, right? We can see from the highs to the lows down 54%, which is better than most coins, right? We saw Solana was 60, 70 something. And right now, Matic is up 50% just in that 2-week span. Avalanche, another one that was hit hard back to October prices before it really caught on. And you can see up 70% already and still down, 38% from all-time highs, which is in that 120 range. We're still below 100. I'm sorry, 140. So yeah, crypto comeback is here. I hope you're making money. Looking at crypto coinmarketcap.com, sorry, you can see all the coins are in the green, mostly with large margins, right? But here's the thing: if you don't feel like crypto is the best risk to reward right now, or you're playing with money you don't really want to risk, especially when prices are climbing back, what you want to do is stake your coins. Now, what I've been looking into is Crypto.com, their staking platform, right? You can earn up to 14.5% on your crypto and up to 14% on your stable coins. 14% a year, almost guaranteed. The only risk being the platform itself. However, you are risking that Bitcoin or Ethereum won't go up 14% the next year because you could just hold those instead, right? But that 14% cash flow, every 3 months you get your money back or paid out weekly. It has its bonuses. So let's look into this a little bit more. You could see, let's say I have $5,000 in USD and I do the 3-month term. I'm earning $600 a year, right? That's 12%. Let's say I'm doing 50 grand and I'm earning 60 grand a year, right? Since I'm doing $40,000 more, I'm earning 14%. So instead of $6,000 a year, I'm earning $7,000. 2% is paid in Crypto.com coin, and it's paid weekly. So automatically, I'm making 14% a year. Now, let's say you're bullish on some coins. What you could do is stake your crypto, stake your USD coin, get that cash flow, get that guaranteed cash flow, and then stake some other coins, right? We see Polkadot 12.5%, Matic, Polygon up 12%, and that's the yearly APY, right? And that's just for $4,000 or less. Look at $40,000 and we can see that 14%, 14.5% max, 40% with Polygon, everything else is 5%. And then, of course, stable coins are 14%, Ethereum 8.5%, Crypto.com 0.6%, Bitcoin 8.5%. So the money is there. What you are lacking is simply the opportunity to invest that money elsewhere, right? Let's say you have 100 grand locked up in Crypto.com and staking, right? You're making max 14 grand a year. What else could you do with that 100 grand to make more, right? I'm sure you could do some more things to make more than 14 grand in a year off of 100,000, right? If you're actively doing it. But this is passive, right? So it's kind of a trade-off. Be sure to think about that when you're putting this money in. Maybe you don't even want to do that. Maybe you want to keep investing in crypto, right? We're seeing a lot of strength right now. So now is a good time to start looking for some applicants, right? Your next investment. So yeah, I hope this video helps. Please like the video and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.